Hello, this is Clarence with the End User Report, and today we're going to take a look at Android apps. I've had the Samsung Fascinate for about 2 months. It is my first Android phone, and I found 5 apps that I think you should take a look at. The first app we're going to take a look at is called TuneIn Radio. What this app allows you to do is actually pick up radio streams from all over the world. Content's very easy to find. You can search by category or country. There's even a local radio section where it's actually going to pick up radio streams in the area that you're in. Now, when you find something like a station that you like, it's very easy to add it into your favorites. When you're actually listening to the station, all you have to do is click the button here that says Add to Presets. Then the next time that you open up the app on your home screen, you just go to My Presets, and you're going to find it right there for you. So this is a great app, whether you're just tired of what's on your MP3 player or whether you just like listening to the radio. The next application we're going to take a look at is called RingDroid, and this is an easy to use ringtone creator. With this, you can take existing music that's on your phone and actually edit it and make it into ringtones and notifications. All you need to do is open up RingDroid, select the file that you want to use, and then you're going to use these sliders here to determine what section and how much of your MP3 you want to use as a ringtone. Once you've got it down to the way that you want it, all you have to do is click the Save button that's here, and you can choose the type of file that it's going to be. As you can see, the options right there are music, alarm, notification, or ringtone. Once you've done that, just hit Save, and you're done. And here's an example of one that I created earlier. Now, why bother paying for ringtones and creating them is just that simple. Okay, so maybe you don't feel like creating your own ringtones, or maybe you do and you want to share them with other people. Zedge is the answer for you. This allows you to search and share ringtones and wallpapers with other users. As you can see, you've got a lot of options here. Again, this is another app that's easy to use. Content is very easy to find. Just hit search and just type in something. Let's go ahead and choose a subject here. Your results are going to come up. It's going to give you the option of wallpapers or ringtones. Let's go ahead and click ringtones. And here are the results that came up. Now you can preview these just by hitting the play symbol. And if you want to favorite them, you can just hit the favorite button that's over here on the right. And if you want to download them, just click on it and click download. Wallpapers are have a similar type of process. Only difference is you're not going to be actually able to preview them without going into them. But still, this is just another great app. Allows you to get some good free content. Probably the most useful app out of the ones that we're going to look at here is K9 Mail. Now, this is an email client that is much richer than the stock Android email client. One of the problems that I had with the stock email was there was no way to really manipulate and delete a whole bunch of emails. Another issue that I had with it was when you try to actually manipulate or delete a bunch of emails, the phone would actually freeze up and lock up on you. And actually K9 resolved both of these issues. As you can see by the interface here, it does look kind of similar. It does give you color codes for each account that you put in here. That way when you're going through your unified inbox, you can tell what email is going to which account. But the big difference here is when you go in, hit your settings button, you've got that nice select all feature. I can select everything in this inbox, click delete, and it's gone. Now the stock email, I would actually have to go in and select each one of the emails individually, and if I tried to do more than 10, well, the phone would just lock up. So if you're someone who's really dependent on email, K9 is definitely a must-have for. The final app that we're going to look at today is called Jam 11, and it is it's my favorite app that I've found so far. What it allows you to do is actually stream your iTunes music from your phone, from your computer to your phone. Now some might say, well, what's the great big deal about that? Well, the big deal is it allows you to listen to those protected MP4s that you've bought on the iTunes store. Now there's a 3-step process to this, and it actually is all spelled out on their website. That is www.jam11.com. All you need to do is go to your Android marketplace, download the Jam 11 application, install it on your mobile device. Next, you want to go over to your computer, install Jam 11 Connect. Again, the download for that is on their website. And once you've done that, you're ready to go. Open up Jam 11. It's going to give you a warning about data usage. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and it's going to load all of your iTunes music and playlists and allow you to listen to it on your phone. And we'll just take a quick look, because it's always a good time to listen to Hendrix. It's going to take a couple seconds to buffer. And as you can see, playing our iTunes music, just wonderful. Now you are streaming your song, so that does mean a couple things. The reason why they give you that warning about data usage is because if you're using a limited data plan, using an application like this is going to cause you to go over. So if you don't want overage charges, you want to watch your usage very closely. Another thing is, because this is streaming from your PC to your phone, your PC is going to need to be on at all times if you want to use this. Also, if you're in an area where 3G coverage is kind of spotty, this application might not perform too well. But overall, I think it's just a wonderful app. Because of this app, I don't carry my iPod to work anymore. So I just, besides, I listen to Hendrix all day. But that does wrap it up for me here at the end user report. Again, this is Clarence. You can follow us on Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter. And don't forget to comment and subscribe on YouTube.